The legal battle between ARM and Qualcomm is poised to disrupt the burgeoning market of AI-powered personal computers, PCs. A legal battle between ARM and Qualcomm over chip licensing threatens to disrupt the launch of a new generation of AI-powered PCs. ARM claims Qualcomm's new laptop processors violate their agreement, while Qualcomm maintains their existing license covers the technology. A two-year legal battle pitting two tech titans threatens to disrupt an emerging wave of new personal computers powered by artificial intelligence, tech industry executives and experts say. ARM Holdings, a British semiconductor and software design company that designs ARM architecture-based chips. ARM architecture is widely used in mobile devices, embedded systems, and increasingly in PCs and servers. The British company, which is majority-owned by Japan's SoftBank Group, sued Qualcomm in 2022 for failing to negotiate a new license after it acquired a new company. The suit revolves around technology that Qualcomm, a designer of mobile chips, acquired from a business called Nuvia that was founded by Apple chip engineers and which it purchased in 2021 for $1.4 billion. ARM builds the intellectual property and designs that it sells to companies such as Apple and Qualcomm, which they use to make chips. Nuvia had plans to design server chips based on ARM licenses, but after the acquisition closed, Qualcomm reassigned its remaining team to develop a laptop processor, which is now being used in Microsoft's latest AI PC, called Copilot+. ARM said the current design plan for Microsoft's Copilot+ laptops is a direct technical descendant of Nuvia's chip. ARM said it had cancelled the license for these chips. ARM's claim against Qualcomm and Nuvia is about protecting the ARM ecosystem and partners who rely on our IP and innovative designs, and therefore enforcing Qualcomm's contractual obligation to destroy and stop using the Nuvia designs that were derived from ARM technology, an ARM spokesperson said. ARM's complaint ignores the fact that Qualcomm has broad, well-established license rights covering its custom-designed CPUs, and we are confident those rights will be affirmed, and Chaplin, Qualcomm's general counsel, said in a 2022 statement. Qualcomm, an American multinational corporation known for its semiconductors, software, and services related to wireless technology. Qualcomm has been a significant player in the mobile chip market and is now expanding into AI and computing sectors. Qualcomm has said that its broad license for ARM technology already covers its PC chips, and a Qualcomm spokesperson said its position has not changed since ARM filed the suit in 2022. Legal dispute of nature of the dispute. The conflict centers around licensing agreements and the use of ARM's intellectual property, IP. ARM claims Qualcomm violated terms related to the use of its chip designs, particularly in the context of its acquisition of Nuvia, a startup focused on high-performance processor designs. Impact on products. Qualcomm's development of AI-centric processors, designed to power the next generation of PCs, relies heavily on ARM's IP. Legal uncertainties might delay or restrict the release of new Qualcomm chips that could compete with established players like Intel and AMD in the AI PC market. Potential consequences of market disruption. Delays in Qualcomm's product releases could slow down the adoption of AI-powered PCs, a sector poised for growth as AI capabilities become a key differentiator in computing. Competitive landscape. Other semiconductor companies might seize the opportunity to advance their AI-focused PC solutions. ARM's strict enforcement of IP rights could push companies to explore alternative architectures, potentially benefiting competitors like RISC-V. Innovation and development. Uncertainty in the legal environment may lead to reduced investments in new technologies and slow innovation in AI processors. Startups and smaller companies might face increased challenges due to heightened IP enforcement and the cost of litigation. Broader implications of industry relationships. The outcome of this legal battle could redefine how licensing agreements are structured and enforced in the semiconductor industry. It may set a precedent affecting future collaborations and partnerships between IP holders and chip manufacturers. Technology roadmaps. Companies may need to adjust their technology roadmaps, considering potential legal risks and the availability of IP. Diversification of technology sources and increased focus on in-house development could become more prevalent. The ongoing legal battle between ARM and Qualcomm highlights the complexities of IP in the semiconductor industry and underscores the critical role of licensing agreements in the development and commercialization of new technologies. The resolution of this dispute will likely have far-reaching consequences for the AI-powered PC market and the broader tech industry. Despite the public fight between two companies that rely on each other for revenue and profit, some investors and analysts believe they will reach a settlement well ahead of the trial, which is scheduled to begin in the federal court in Delaware in December. There is a degree of absurdity of ARM suing its second biggest customer, and Qualcomm being sued by its largest supplier, said Jay Goldberg, the CEO-chief of D2D Advisory, a finance and strategy consulting firm.